Well, alright, after an Amazon order and a couple days later, because it was the weekend, we got the head bolt socket right here, and we got the whole timing kit tool right there. We are at top dead center. We have a mark right there. We have a mark right there. Very good. You can see, if you guys, there's an arrow and a mark there. And there's a mark right there. There's nothing correlating it to the head, which kind of sucks. But, yeah. And this guy right here is left-hand thread. Fingers crossed. Well, alright guys. Let me sit down and make sure. We got the main chain off. We got the oil pump removed and the oil pump chain removed. Timing chain tensioner is also removed. Very good. So next step is we're gonna take these lines off the block there, and then we're gonna get the valve cover off. Very good. Just remember guys, whenever you're doing a big job, please attempt to stay organized. Please attempt to stay organized. Alright guys, we got the valve cover off. We got the valve train out. Exhaust camshaft, intake camshaft, it's all out. It's over there on the table. Now we're going to break these head bolts free and get this head out. We're going to make like a baby and head out. Alright, we're almost there. Well, alright guys, we're in process of cleaning all the surfaces. And let me sit in my chair right here. I was inspecting our intake side, and we have a lot of carbon buildup, as you can see. Now, this customer did not pay for a carb clean, but I cannot, in good mind, let this engine go without it. It's already apart. So what we're gonna do is, I already did one. You see that one? You see how bad they were? I think this one right here. Yeah, this one's the worst. So hopefully we'll get all four looking like this. I can't, in good conscience, let these out like that. So let's continue. Oh, and how we're doing it? Well, we're doing our zip tie trick. We're doing a carb clean with zip ties. Very good. Okay, so what we do here is the zip tie trick. Now all this does is take out the big chunks, and then we go in there with like a little Scotch-Brite pad and a little scraper right there. But this guy really and look at it, it's already breaking up some of the chunks in there. Yep. Then you make your adjustment. You can do both chambers, both directions, and you continue until you get all the chunky stuff up, and then you could spray some brake clean in there and go in and out. You got to be careful because you can and will take shots to the face. That is also a giggity. Well, alright, after some zip tie work, look at all that carbon that is broken off the valves. So we're going to clean that out right now. And for those who say, no, you should use a walnut blaster, well, we don't have one. So, what do you want me to do? Let me know in the comments if you guys got an easier way or a neat little trick like this. Write me in the comments, or let me know. Let everybody know in the comments, please. Because if you could make my job easier, I would really appreciate it. And hey, if I can make your job easier, that's what I'm here for. Alright guys, it's the end of my day. See these two? They're looking pretty good. They're looking pretty different compared to the Gugats that's on this side. That's a whole lot of Gugats. Got these as clean as possible. Very good. Alright guys, that's the end of my day.